Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Plus Bus TDI with 102 horsepower and a 2-litre engine. This van is perfect for all your business needs. With features like Bluetooth phone connectivity, MP3 connection, and a multifunction display, your workday just got easier. Stay safe on the road with ABS, multiple airbags, and an anti-collision system. Also, enjoy the convenience of power steering, electric windows, and a stop and start system. Rest assured, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive your business forward with the Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Plus today.